Your feet deserve as much love as your face and body. If you struggle with dry, cracked heels or rough skin, this routine will leave your feet soft, smooth, and healthy. Let's get into it. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy. So, to a bowl, you are going to be adding salt. You're going to be adding hand wash. If you have liquid soap, any form of liquid soap, you can also add it. And then you're going to be using warm water, and you're going to soak off your feet for 15 minutes. Okay, this particular soak off would help to make your feet soft and smooth. And then you're going to be exfoliating your feet using a scrub, a physical scrub this time. And I use this particular one from Dr. Mania. This is Alpha Arbutin Dr. Mania physical scrub. Okay, that would help to exfoliate your skin, remove dead skin cells, smoothen the rough patches, especially on the heels, and also just make your feet to be very, very soft. I also use this feet file from MB Beauty or something. I can't remember the brand, but you can just get any feet file from the market and it will do the job very well. So the very first side I use is this side that has this greater kind of look, and you're going to use it gently on your feet, okay, to scrub off the dead skin cell and give your feet that pamper and care. This is a DIY on how you're going to achieve that smooth and soft looking feet. Okay, so you're going to take your time and scrub the heels of your feet so well so that you will get rid of everything that you want to get rid of. Okay. So I also went ahead to use the smooth side to actually scrub the front of my leg, okay, or the beginning of my feet. I don't know what that part of the leg is called, but as you can see, I just use the soft side, not the side that looks like a grater, and I'm just rinsing off my feet because I'm done scrubbing. And I'm rinsing off using the same warm water that I used in soaking my legs. I am actually removing the products on my feet so I can go in with the next step. So using a clean towel, I decided to pat dry my feet. I did not dry it so well. This is what I mean by applying your products on a damp skin. So I want my skin to be damp. That is the reason why I'm pat drying. Okay, and I'm going to lock in moisture using my homemade shea butter. You can watch the tutorial on how I made it on this channel. I'm going to leave the link in the comment section. This would help to keep my feet soft and smooth. So if you have watched this particular point of the video and you're yet to subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe, like this content, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoy this particular video, okay, and share this video to someone that you know that is struggling with a cracked feet. Okay, and until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye. Mwah.